D in the middle, soft and hazy. Better ladder, riding, rider, sounds the same, it's not a divider. When a vowel comes before and after the T, it flips like a trick and it sounds like a D. Water sounds like waiter, letter like ladder. No hard stop, just a tongue tap chatter. City, pretty, bottle, later, riding, riding, trader, trader. Don't get stuck, just flap it through. The sound is smooth, and now you do too. It's a flap, not a tap when the T gets lazy like a D